Infertility is a global health issue affecting almost 43 million couples, out of which many are into medical treatment. But are we human not designed to reproduce? We are designed to reproduce. Then what is the reason behind that today people are hitting infertility so badly? It's because of your lifestyle, your dietary habits, lack of physical activity. But are these medical treatment the only procedure to cure infertility? No. According to Ayurveda, you can treat your infertility very safely and holistically through Ayurvedic way. See, in Ayurveda, it basically detox your body through Panchakarmas, lifestyle change, dietary change, and including yoga asanas in your day-to-day life, which will then remove the blockages from your body and remove the waste buildup from your body. Ghee is the most fertile food according to Ayurveda. Then including yoga asanas in your day-to-day life will increase your fertility rate. Including multi-seeded fruits will improve your follicle. Now, Ayurvedic treatment might take some time, 2 months, 3 months, maybe 4 months, but this is the most safe and the holistic way to treat infertility with 92% success rate in treating infertility through Ayurveda. Do give it a try. You will love it. Thank you.